Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I am going to show you how to fix sound problem on Windows 11. So what you have to do is just tap on search bar, type service, open it and scroll down a little bit. Tap on this performance log and alerts. Tap on properties. Go for startup type and select automatic. Then just apply it. Tap on OK. Select this start button and then it will show you running. After this, just tap on search button again, type control panel and tap to open it. Go for sound, tap on this communication and select do nothing and then apply. Click on OK. Then again go for search, type control panel again go for sound, tap on speaker and click on properties. Then just go for levels and just increase the speaker sounds a little bit. Then go for advanced, select this and tap on this one. Then click on apply. After this just tap on OK. This time type troubleshooting, tap to open it. Tap on this other troubleshooters and here you can see playing audio. Tap on run button. Click on no do not open audio enhancements and then it's show you the problem fixed. Then just tap on close this tab as well. Now tap on window and restart your device, and after restarting your device your sound problem on Windows 11 will be fixed. So I hope you found this video helpful for you. If it is, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.